Hello friends, welcome back to NCRT and SSC Solutions. So today we are studying on chapter 8 of India Climate, Vegetation and Wildlife. Standard 6th. So let's start. Question number 1. Answer the following questions briefly. A. Which winds bring rainfall in India? Why it's so important? Answer is the monsoon winds bring rainfall in India. Agriculture is India's main economy activity and it dependent on rains. Good monsoons means adequate rain and a bountiful crop. B. Name the different seasons in India. Answer is the different seasons in India are the cold weather season, winter, December to February, the hot weather season, summer, March to May, the southwest monsoon region, rainy season, June to September, and the season of retreating monsoon, autumn, October, and November. C question is, what is the natural vegetation? Answer is the grass, shrubs and trees that grow without interference or help from human beings are called natural vegetation. They are dependent on different climatic conditions, among which the amount of rainfall is very important. D. Name the different parts of vegetation found in India. Answer is the different types of vegetation found in India are tropical evergreen forest or rainforest, tropical deciduous forest, thorny bushes, mountain vegetation, and mangrove forest. E. What is the difference between evergreen forest and deciduous forest? The different tropical rainforests or evergreen forests are found in areas receiving heavy rainfall. They are very dense. Tropical rainforests or evergreen forests are found in areas receiving heavy rainfall. They are very dense. They shed their leaves at different times of the year. As a result, they always appear green. Important trees found in these forests are tropical deciduous forests are called monsoon forests. They are less dense. They shed their leaves at a particular time of year. Important trees of these forests are sal, teak, peepal, neem, shiksham, and sandalwood. Aphids. Why tropical forests are so called evergreen forest? Answer is tropical rainforests or evergreen forests are found in areas receiving heavy rainfall. They are very dense. They shed their sorry. The tropical rainforests are found. This is the answer. Sorry that I read the E answer. The tropical rainforests are found where there is heavy rainfall of over 200 centimeters. As the rainfall is adequate, the trees retain their leaves and remaining green throughout the year, and they shed their leaves at different times of the year. Therefore, they always appear green and are called evergreen forest. Question number 2. Tick the correct answer. A. The world's highest rainfall occurs in options are Mumbai, Aransol, and Mawasnaram. Answer is Mawasnaram. B. Mangrove forests can thrive in options are saline water, fresh water, and polluted water. Answer is saline water. C. Mahogany and rosewood trees are found in. Options are mangrove forest, tropical deciduous forest, and tropical evergreen forest. Answer is tropical evergreen forest. D. Wild goats and snow leopards are found in. Options are Himalayan region, peninsular region, and Gir forest. Answer is Himalayan region. E. During the southwest monsoon period, the moisture-laden winds blow from. Options are land to sea, sea to land, plateau and plains. Answer is that question is to be option of the second question. That's why answer you have to find in your way and your knowledge. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. A. Hot and dry winds known as Lu blow during the day in the summer. Answer is Lu. B. The states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall. The treating of retreating monsoons. Answer is retreating monsoons. Gir forest in Gujarat is home of Asiatic lions. Answer is Gir. D. Sundari is a well-known species of mangrove forest. Answer is Sundari. E. Tropical deciduous forests are also called monsoon forest. Answer is tropical. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe and like this video.